Alright guys, so today we're gonna need scissors, glue, pencil, and small sheets of construction paper. You decide what color you would like. And of course your white piece of paper or sketchbook. If you have a sketchbook, that would be okay. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna start. You can use whatever color your heart desires. I'm gonna start with purple and yellow because they're complementary colors. So I'm gonna use that to start. And we're gonna do a little pattern. So I'm gonna put this here on top of that so it can guide me. So I'm gonna go like this. Little wavy lines, wavy lines, wavy lines. Okay? Then I'm gonna cut them. Let me see, make sure it's only one. Okay. Whoop. And now I'm gonna use this to guide me. I'll go wavy lines, wavy lines. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna cut it as well. So you have now two wavy lines, right? And then we can cut it. This could be our base. Okay, so when we use our paper, right, maybe we can use that for a corner here. We can use that here. It's really nice. Now let's do other shapes, because as we saw in our little PowerPoint of Aaron Douglas illustrations and paintings, he did also other shapes. So we're gonna start with our outline for our leaf. Let's go. So we're gonna go like this. Then in the middle. Alright. I'm making sure I'm not wasting all the construction paper, like I still have some that I can use for later. So when I do my little leaf, I'm not putting the leaf all the way in the center, because I want to take advantage of my paper as much as I can. So I'm going to do this line here. Alright, and then maybe I can add with this. I'm going to do the outline, right? And then I'm gonna cut this so then I can put it here, right? Woohoo! Look at how nice. Actually, I'm gonna make it bigger. What if I just glue it onto this? That's what I'm gonna do. So we can have the background yellow and it can stand out. I like that. So let's get our glue. Alright, I'm gonna put some glue here in the back. Alright, we're going to put it here. And let's go. Nice. Awesome. So I have my wavy part here. My trees here. I want to make more leaves. So if you want, you can make more as well. So let's do this. And don't worry about trying to make it the same color as I am doing, because maybe you don't have the same colors. Maybe you only have 2 sheets of construction paper. Then just do it with those 2. And remember, if you don't have construction paper, you make it. So what does that mean? You get a white sheet of paper and you color in. You know, you can cut it the same way that I'm cutting it. But then don't forget to color it in. So look, I have more. So I'm using all of my construction paper. I'm not wasting any bit. Ta-da! There you go. My goodness. Now let's cut it. Look at that. Can do this. Ooh. I think we should do one more and make it like a tree. That would be nice. You know? Let's go. So, one more. I'll do it with this part that's left. At this point, I'm not even drawing on it because I already know the shape. So it's kind of like this. And then I cut something a little bit in the middle. Ta-da! And then let's see if I have some yellow left. Oof, no, this doesn't fit. How about here? There you go. I have some yellow left. But the yellow won't cover all of it, so I'm probably gonna need another sheet of yellow. Let me get it. Oh, oh, it was here. All right. So let's glue it. Let's see. Okay, good. Ta-da! Yeah. Taka, taka, taka. All right, so 1, 2, and 3. And we can put that in the corner of our paper. And now let's do the trunk. Let's see, so if you have a small sheet of brown, ta-da! I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Okay, so let's go. Go here. Oh, and remember, it's just the outline, so we shouldn't put anything, any line inside. Ta-da! Okay, cool. Now let's go. I'm cutting the trunk of what it would be a palm tree. And again, if you don't have brown, just get another color. Like, get something else. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. So, woohoo! There we go. There we go. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, I think I'm gonna make this like maybe on the side, like that. I'm gonna make it like this. Or I can just cut it, kind of like wavy too. Yes, I like it like that. And I'm not gonna do the purple anymore. I'm gonna do everything yellow because I wanted to make it seem as like that's the rays of the sun, right? And they're yellow. So I'm gonna leave it as that yellow here. I made one that was skinny, too skinny. Okay, one more. There we go. Ta-da! Maybe this one goes here and this one's here. Okay, yeah, I'm liking it so far. What's next? Maybe I'm gonna add circles because his drawings had a lot of shapes. So I'm gonna add this circle, then this red circle as well. So it can indicate that maybe that is, I'm making just a red circle too. And it's not perfect, so don't worry. Like that over it. And then I want to make an orange circle that goes behind the red circle. Let's see, do I have orange paper? Yeah, last orange paper. So if I put these two together, I put it here, I'm gonna go over it. And this would be my sun. And it's very abstract because we know that the sun doesn't look like this, right? But we're creating it that way. Now I want to get blue for the bottom part. I want this part to be like an ocean, right? Like we're in an island. So let's get the blue and let's cut it wavy. So if you want, you can first do the waves. Okay, you can do more waves obviously. Next, more waves. More waves. And if you have different kinds of blues, that would be great to do that with several different kinds of blues. So for example, I have this blue and I also have this dark blue. So it's like, ooh, interesting. I can do this. So maybe I could put it here in the bottom. Right, all the blue. Okay, let me throw this little paper away. Okay, so I hope you guys can see it, but I'm putting one blue, like a block of blue here on the bottom, and then I'm gonna cut a little bit and let's see. Ooh, there you go, there we have it. So let me take this out. We're done with this. Done with this. So I'm getting a little bit of blue here, actually a lot. I'm cutting it, and I'm gonna glue it, like this big block of glue, right? But look how it's gonna look in a little bit. So this is gonna go on one corner of my white paper. And then this one's gonna go on the other side of my paper. Maybe we should cut it like this, like that. So okay, yeah. So now that this is like this bottom blue, remember our waves? Whoop! Let's see, do you remember this? We just did them, so now we're gonna cut them. Ta-da! And then we could put them here. Ooh. I hope you guys can see, but look, you see I'm adding the little waves here and I'm leaving a space. There you go. Okie dokie. And now I have a little bit of one side there. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go unite this part with this, and then I'm gonna cut it off here. Awesome. Whoa, I haven't glued it yet, so it's gonna come out. Next, this part is not as big as we thought, but maybe it can help us here. Nope, 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 it cannot help us. Okay, how about this? So for this I'm gonna need my pencil because I need to make sure they match. There you go. And that cuts it off. So I'm gonna cut this. Ta-da! And then this, let's see if it makes sense. Okay, this with this. Okay. Now let me give it a curve. A curved look. A wavy look. Ta-da! Okay, now we can glue it. We can glue the waves. Epa! This, here the rays of sun. It's amazing. And I think we're gonna move the palm tree to go here. Alright, so now the only thing that's left is just gluing everything. Don't forget your corners here. And I'm gonna show you my final results after I'm done gluing everything. Thank you guys. Have a good day.